transformer Camaro. You know, I like getting this on every time we see it throughout the year, guys, and he just keeps working on it, detail after detail, and he doesn't quit, guys. There's so much into this car, and he does a good job, man. Especially, like, it's a hard theme. Transformers, that's a hard one to do, but he has this one down, guys. I'm telling you. You see this inside and out. It's tight over there. We're gonna go around on this side and have a peek on the inside, but it is packed everywhere. Look at this. The big brakes too. You see them in here? Everybody likes this car all the time. You see him done up, door panels, all of it. Check out the door panels. Yeah, he's got the horn done. If he was here, we'd have him honk. Look at this. He got the seal in here, transformers, seats done. Look at this headrest. Man, guys, he's really got it. The hood's done. We're gonna get around here. This isn't even the half of it. I know his horn's done, everything. We're gonna get around here to the business end of this transformer Camaro. You see him? Man, you got the big splitter down here. You see it? Look, you got the Bumblebee up here, and the eyes on the headlights. You see him? Paying in. Got it lit today, man. We can see it. There's overcast out here today, so we can see the nice lit up work. We got to get this, guys. Looky there. And he's got both sides done to this. Looky there, looky there. You see him, guys? Look, underneath the hood, everywhere. If he was out, I'd have him honk the horn. He's got it on a key fob, and it goes through a series of voices and things like that are Bumblebee. So it's a real nice touch to this car. He's got a good theme, and I'm sure everywhere he goes, he probably pulls awards and always draws a crowd with this car, guys. I love seeing it out here. Big shout out to him. Thanks for the beautiful work. We appreciate it, brother. Keep on going, keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.